Namaskar, welcome to Showcase Odisha Icon. Another special episode with a very special person. Of course, a celebrity Odia, iconic figure globally. We have today with us Amasita Achanti, Padma Shri awardee, and he's won so many awards across the world. Of course, Padma Shri is always special for an Indian, for an Odia. Nilabadha Ponda, welcome to the Showcase Odisha Icon Award. He was one of our first awardees of Showcase Odisha when we started it 7-8 years back, and he had just begun his career for a global audience. He was always a person who was part of films since I think it was 21, 22.
Yeah.
So I would first welcome Nilabadha, and then we'll continue with the discussion. This is going to be a free-flowing discussion as it is always in Showcase, that we want our audience, our listeners to learn something from our icons always. So how is it feeling coming back to Odisha? I think e bhitere tame besi thora asi parino, but I know you so very well. We are both Liberals. You were born in October, so you always love coming back home. So what is special about this time?
Well, coming back home is no more special for me because it looks like I wanted to come back permanently now after my son leaves for study abroad. But every time you come back to Odisha, Bhubaneswar, particularly Bhubaneswar, or going back to village, because the day when the pandemic, the lockdown got over, immediately last month I went to my village also. What it gives going back home is always, it's like that you're tired and you need a break. So for somebody like me, who probably I would say, I won't call it rooted, but I'm very homebound. So I'm very homebound. If I don't see my village every 6 months, it kind of makes me tired. Not because of work, but missing the village factor. So if not to the village even, coming back Bhubaneswar is enough of a representation as a person, gives you enough oxygen to go back and work.
So obviously you have a great link with your village and you love your family members. Recently I saw on social media that you had organized relatives manankar gote sort of a outing, a picnic and all that. So jetale tame choto thilo, setale of course picnics, outings, festivals houthala. Now that you are actually a celebrity in your space and in your locality, why in your locality, Odisha, across the country, across the globe, how does it feel any different when you are there with all these people anymore? Do they treat you differently?
Yeah, I would consider that's a little odd, that sometimes I feel bad about myself, not others, because when you go back home, you wanted to go back and touch that soul which you grew up with, okay? So, nisku odd feel way that people look at you like, oh, as if you are an outsider, okay? It's your own brother, own sister, own family, own friends, like this time, suddenly, so from my village, in half a kilometer distance, there is always a Harijan Basti, So the guy who cleans up the village, his son was my classmate, okay? And he came running, pulled my hand, he said, you have to come to my place, okay? I wanted that always, but when you see people are always sees you distance, that oh, he has become a celebrity, you feel odd. Nevertheless, every time I go, I make sure I call everybody, all my relatives, friends, that I'm coming, let's meet together, okay? So going back gives you, for me, nothing can be bigger celebration than going back and being with your own family members, distant family, we generally grew up with joint family. But it is so, at times, and it is always celebration. When you meet people, it is celebration. There is nothing else you need. Right. And I make sure that it happens at least once in a year. Also, I try to bring my son also, because I want him to call that my village is Dasrajpur, not Delhi,
Excellent. So you obviously have a different feeling every time you come back to Odisha, come back to your village. Mu khali gote prashna mo manare sabale thae je ଆପଣ ଯେମିତିଆ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଗାଁରୁ ବାହାରିକି ଯାଇକି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଗଲ୍ କରିକି ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଅଚିଭ୍ଡ, ୟୁ ବିନ୍ ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍, A lot of people are from your area, from your region, from Odisha have done that, but they have not been great success, especially in this line of media, entertainment and films. So have you seen anybody from your place, not necessarily in films, that they have taken you as an icon, or କହିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ନୀଳମାଧବ ପଣ୍ଡାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ struggle କରିବି, successful ହେବି, and they have come back to you and told you that yes?
It happens all over, it's not only here, when I travel abroad also, I mean in Europe, in Africa, oh, I want to make your kind of films. And so whenever I go, I see people that what makes me happy now with the new generation, which is fantastic. Till even 5-10 years back, it was difficult. Now the new generations can see that if he can do, I can do, That factors are very strong now. Right. And they're very independent. So when you do work like this and talk like this, I'm somebody, I hide myself. I'm not a very TV, radio person, I don't go out and talk much. But I feel, when I go to my college or school, I see kids are like have their own independent standards. So that the Google time has changed people, Right. They knows you're an icon, but in the sense in your own work, own field, but they have a sense that they can also do, which is a great change eventually in time, what I have seen in my own people, own community also.
Exactly. I'll take this opportunity to thank Nirmadab. Anytime I've asked him to be part of an event or an interview, he has always been there. Though we can't call him an introvert, he has an amazing skill and his uncanny skill to market and promote his films, other people. If I ask him to promote me, he'll do it much better than he promotes himself. But that's a skill which people have in the creative area. So, camera pachapate jo skill ta tha, not necessarily, but now I realize that he has become a great speaker in a lot of interviews, a lot of talk shows. So we'll come to that later on.
I'll add on also one thing, Sanu. Coming back to why I come back time and again to Showcase Award or anything you call. You're one of the, I'm right in front of you, I'm appreciating your great work. Is there a very rare events in people? I always say, off the camera also, that one of the most important thing in our generation or earlier is appreciating yourself, taking that credit you have done, and also appreciate others who have done good job. Okay, I have suffered that good 3 decades of my life, that nobody appreciate you. Wow. That appreciation means you get charged up, you get that energy.
And that genuine appreciation. Yeah.
So somehow it lacked at some point of time in Odisha for me, because end of the day, if your own people, if your parents, if your brother, if your friends doesn't appreciate, you'll say, what am I doing, Exactly. So see, appreciation, it gives a big kick in your life. Whatever you may do, even if you fail, it doesn't matter. So what I believe always, I have always talked to you that, Showcase for me was, you have got people, you have celebrated success, you have celebrated people's identity, talent, which is a big thing. Not many people does it.
And you have been one of our inspirations. In fact, last time we met in Showcase Odisha in Mumbai, where we have given or felicitated people ଯୋମାନଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବାହାରେ ଲୋକ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ. So that's our whole idea is ସେମାନେ successful ହେଇଥିବେ, but ସମସ୍ତେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିଥିବା, even when Nirmadab made this I Am Kalam, ସମସ୍ତେ କହିଲେ କିଏ ଜଣେ ପଣ୍ଡା ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସିଏ ସିନେମାଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି. ମୋତେ ବି କହିଲେ let's find out who this gentleman is. ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରୁ ସେ. And everybody has an experience with good films. It's always a personal experience. So I want to tell you honestly, ଆପଣଙ୍କର I Am Kalam is the first film which I also saw. Documentaries and all that I have not seen. Later on I saw just because you made them, and I wanted to see how you started. We'll talk about that. I Am Kalam cinemata, I've seen the whole film on a flight. And the problem, which is good or bad, that flight was I think an Air India, I should not say that, Air India flight which didn't have earphones. So I pura subtitle देखी cinemata देखी थी, and still it was so watchable that I subtitle देखी I enjoyed the film. So there was something missing. Later on I saw it with the dialogues with Gulshan Grover and the child actor and everybody doing so well. So ये जो journey, we'll start with your journey in filmmaking. Our audience obviously must have filmmakers obviously know more about it, but generally people who watch films would like to know a little more about. So ଟିକେ then gist ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ film making journey ବିଷୟରେ ଟିକେ କହିବେ, how you got started and what was some challenges.
Well, I think whenever you find an artist, any little successful, everybody has a story, you know. It's not that my story is extraordinary or anything like that. I mean, if you see AD, all of us have come from the rural area, humble background. I mean, to be honest, nobody has a full-fledged circular great background, you know. Journey in simple as a filmmaker, I would say, I mean, if I say my journey, it's a long one. To cut it short, I would see that as a child, being an Indian, we grew up with stories. Dada, Dadi, Oja, Aero, Kahani Sunikiri, I am बढ़िछु. Okay. So, becoming an artist, becoming a filmmaker in Indian society is not a big thing. If you want, you can become. It's just the technology you have to learn. When it comes to that journey, I was always a failed student. I was failed in class 8. So I had to repeat class 8. My family said that since he is not been able to study, we should finish his school and he should do farming. And I was passionate about farming.
You were failing because you were always absent and thinking of other things like a lot of fake people are, or?
Well, I never, like I said that don't keep a long interview because I'm a very impatient character, you know. So in 5 minutes, I can't sit in one place for 5 minutes, you know. So I'm a very hyper, less attention, that kind of guy, you know. If you take me to a doctor, they will say you have ADHD problem, start treating yourself, you know. So nevertheless, so that was me. So for a person like me, or if I start looking at something in the classroom, I'll start sleeping, okay. So both ways I was failed. And then somehow I passed matriculation with 3rd class, then plus 2 with 3rd class. Graduation बहुत कुछ हो गया. अब graduation रे पाठ पढ़ी हला so graduation रे last failing. But there was one thing which, like I said, I had enjoyed telling stories. Although I was not very vocal, but there's something which was suppressing me always, and I have to tell this. I wanted to find a way. And when we were finishing graduation in 95, 96, there was no methods that you can become a filmmaker or a photographer growing up in Sonpur or my village. You know. At least in
But college, did you have that goal in your mind that you want to become a filmmaker?
No, not at all. I was painting, I was telling stories, I was writing poems, everything. There was one person from one family in Sonpur, Kalidas Mishra, Chandidas Mishra, they went to FTI that time. So which was a very big thing for us. We heard FTI, there is a film institute, you can study cinema, which is a very big thing, you know. Attraction was always that I want to tell stories. In journey, that I know I have to tell stories. How? I don't know, okay. But power of story I knew from the television. When television, you know, till I finished my graduation in my village, there was only 1 or 2 television. My uncle had one, my chacha, and some other family, Meher family got one TV. So it was like the whole village was divided by 2 sections. One part of the village will go to see this TV, one part will go to see this TV. So I saw the power of storytelling, medium. Okay, that this is boss everything, okay. Then cinema hall, of course, you know. So you wait long queue to buy a ticket and everything. So then the graduation did not happen. Then I thought I know that as a storyteller you have one confidence. So that's the most beautiful part of a storyteller is you have confidence of survival. So which is how if you see the artist community largely, whether it's a painter, singer or anything, बिना खाए पिए भी वो सादा आदमी जी सकता है, ना हो सकता है आम आदमी ना जिए. That's how you are special, or somebody can call you a pagal. So you are either one, but you have a stamina because it's your brain which gets all the energy for you to survive. कि आज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो 20 साल के बाद फिल्म बनाऊंगा, but बनाऊंगा. And that's the intensity which I found in myself. So most important for anybody as an audience also I would say, it's finding yourself what you want. And every time, even till today, after 2 decades of my career, when I wanted to do a film, I do it. Whether I have money, I don't have money, there's somebody supporting, not supporting. Imagine I live in Delhi and I have finished my 8th feature film and I release every film. In 3 of the time, whatever money I have earned, first film I sold my house, third film I sold everything I had. But you have to. This is what you are.
The challenge is always it's a perpetual.
It's a person. No. Till you die.
Upward curve.
It's just because after you finish a film, you have another story in mind. You feel as if I have not done anything. That kick of story, it's like that they call it the whole creative kida, is so bad that you are diseased at times you feel. Because you have to finish it. It's like hunger. जब तक नहीं खाओगे भूख नहीं मिटेगा फिर अगले दिन भूख
सिनेमा थी रहेगा बाकी and so many stories, so many things in life to do.
Yeah, and I have scripts which I have written 15 years back and still pending. If I don't do those films, what am I going to do? I'll die.
So more of the Prashna again is now we have come to the next generation. We have kids at home. Your son, I've met him, amazingly creative. He's got the creative genes of both the parents. And before the interview, we were discussing that he is interested in fashion. So that is something which is. I think both of us started our professions around the same time when we were 21, 22. I think आमको से सुजोग कि समय मिललानी to do formal education. We have some friends who have done formal education. Maybe that has been good or bad, I don't know. But with the flow में माड़ी गलू. I got on events and I was also doing anchoring and all that. तमें film से सबसे बड़े you went to Delhi, which you did a very good thing by doing to Delhi at the right time. नाले 80 रही I won't know what was going to happen then.
Agreed.
We have people in our audience, live audience, and people who are watching. Obviously, parents are so eager to send their kids. Fashion car, NIFT achi, NID achi. These are now things which I come from a bureaucratic family. I was the first one to get out of that because I was younger. They allowed me to do it. But ebe to samatham kohujhanti. They're pushing people, and there are amazing opportunities. Do you think theory is important, very important for a creative career? Maybe you can do that education in your mid-career or later on or in the beginning.
I would consider this way. I mean, I have my own statement, okay? Why education is to get exposure to the world, a community, looking at people. Otherwise, if you don't study even, I mean, you have basic schooling of language, basic schooling of mathematics, that in your life you need those things. Like I always tell my son, when in class 8 he said, Papa, I want to drop math. I said, what? I want to drop math. What's the big deal? I said, if I would have gone and told my dad, my school, they would have killed me. Okay? And do you have options? Yeah, I've already checked in the school. My God. So the school had the option for an 8th class, 9th class student to drop math. Okay?
And the new education policy is getting better also.
Not only that, I told him only one thing, that son, I'm still confused about zeros, I can't differentiate between 1,000, lakh and crore. So I still have the problem. So when a number comes, I run an office, so I send it to my accountant, ye 1 lakh hai ki 1 crore hai, dekh. Okay? So I told him at least learn some zeros so that you can calculate numbers when you do business or become a job holder or whatever.
That's a very practical subject to know.
Yeah. But nevertheless, I would say the world is going today in this way that I think at an early age also, if you consider that no, I do not need study further, it's fine. But if you study, well and good, because study is basically, it gives you a lot of time for you to understand the world. More than, it's not about study, it's not about the academic, in a creative field.
And interacting with your contemporaries, sharing
Absolutely.
knowledge. Sometimes you're struggling yourself, you're working in a vacuum.
And you get an institution where you have a lot of libraries to study, be it cinema, books or anything.
That's right.
Yeah.
I'll ask some typical filmmaker kind of questions. ଆପଣ ପୁରା ପୃଥିବୀ ବୁଲିଛନ୍ତି, not only to receive awards, but also across the country, across the world to shoot your films. Which location in Odisha you found best when you shot a film in India and a country outside ours?
No.
Difficult to choose, I know.
I'm known as a obsessive Odia. Okay, I'm known with my friends community that Madhav is obsessive about Odia, and I'm happy with that. Okay, I would tell you the best location in my life. Okay, people think after you make few films, you got award, and now I have a big series I have signed, which will come. I won't name it now, but I have a bigger film which is coming up. My last film which I saw, a place, I mean, you can consider to be the remotest place. It is right here near Kendrapada, Sadbaya. So you literally cross two crocodile infested river, and then you walk for 10-12 kilometers. And this film I shot just in the transition of summer and rain. So anytime rain can come. Okay. जो रास्ता रे गलु that's one part. But सेठी जेतले गला बेले सेठी घर पर किछि नथला. So when I took my crew, 70 people and 70 टा bed, चादर, कंबल सब निकली जाइथिले. See, they reached and where are we going to stay? And nobody knows anything. And this is most adventurous thing I could do in my life, because I'm completely in love with that place, about how a whole civilization is engulfed by the sea. Okay. So history was right there, and I had witnessed in 13 years time. Since 2006 I had been shooting this place. Okay.
So every time you have been there?
Yeah, so I have to go, I have to see. Because when you see history here. And you say that, look, this hand pump which is in the sea was in the middle of the river, middle of the village, and we had pura chesta rakhi. So nothing can be, I would say, better than that. And of course, I mean, there are many locations, you know, Ladakh, I have been to 40-50 countries, so I have seen all that in my life. But this is like, this as well as a first film, I Am Kalam, Bikaner still is like, it's something I'm in love with, desert.
Great, thank you. We have a live audience with us of young filmmakers, actors, people in the film industry. जोटा नीलमाधव मोसन सब कहते that we should do this more often. So at least got a छोटा beginning we have made with Showcase Odisha Icon, and of course we will have bigger and more diverse audiences, and hopefully we can take it across the state.
Yeah.
Because आपणकर जो experience अनुभूति अच्छी और the kind of people you have met across, not only Odisha बाहर Odisha भितर भी अपन बहुत जन from government to corporate to everybody. Coming back to the question which I had put in your mind, which is in everybody's mind for a creative person. And creative लोगों बहुत options थाए, including your mainstream options. So Nilada Panda जब filmmaker ही नथांते, and you have stuck to that genre very strictly. You have not actually. A lot of filmmakers have done a lot of other things also. Like me, I started as event management and gone to managing a cafe also. So जदि अपन फिल्ममेकर ही न थांते अपन कौन भाबुचंती would have suited you best? One is in the creative genre, the other is in a non-creative genre.
No. I had only two options. Okay, to tell my stories and to tell my stories. Okay, and both had similar things. The other way telling the story was to become a farmer. Okay. I always, now also sometimes when I get tired and frustrated, I said I wish I could have actually been a farmer, not a filmmaker. Why? I feel that both are same job. Okay, both have same amount of effort you put, brain,
innovation.
So it's almost like I start thinking about a story today in one line, develop it to a one-page story, bigger story, screenplay, dialogue, finding money, putting people for production, actors, then you shoot, edit, and then finally bring the film and publish it. If you see farming, you see a seed, okay, seedling, leaves, and you put same amount of it needs that amount of creativity as well as physical labor. So I find farming is one of the most innovative, most interesting art.
If you can interrupt, if the film can become a full flop, farming there be chance है but a disaster है पूरा.
Well, indeed. Any part, whether water, fertilizer, weather, any part goes wrong, it's over. Similarly, in cinema, an actor goes wrong, your film is flop.
Timing is wrong. Of
timing is wrong. Yeah, exactly. So everything.
You drawn parallels with filmmaking and farming.
So the outcome has its own mood, own ways of life. It not depend on you. You can only put effort. Outcome, what will happen, ke janibe.
Interesting parallels you have drawn between farming and filmmaking. ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମାନଙ୍କର ଏବେ ଯେଉଁ ନ୍ୟୁ ଏଜ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପଇସା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଫାର୍ମ ହାଉସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଭାରି ଇଚ୍ଛା ହୋଲ୍ ଅବସେସନ୍ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଫାର୍ମ ହାଉସ୍ ଅଛି ଯେ ଫାର୍ମ ହାଉସ୍ରେ ଫାର୍ମିଂ ହେଉଛି କି ନା ଗୋଟେ ହାଉସ୍ ଇନସାଇଡ୍ so this is a new obsession which Delhi people had long back. All these Delhi farm houses have become mandaps and so people are making money out of it. Hopefully not, we'll also start doing events in farm houses. Okay, we have a wonderful audience here, small but we have a audience also online who will be coming on Zoom to ask a few questions. So ଆମ ସହିତ ଜଣେ young filmmaker and he has formal education. So ମୁଁ ଦେବାଶିଷ ମହାରଣା is with us. ଆଉ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିବେ.
सर प्रणाम. myself देवाशीष महाराणा, come to from कटक. सर गोटे यूथ फिल्म मेकर हिसाब से गोटे क्वेश्चन थिला कि आमे प्रॉपर राइटिंग स्किल टाको डेवलपमेंट करिया पई माने केमती कोन प्रोसीजर रहिबा दरकार प्रॉपर वेटा सर.
Creative world, there is nothing called proper way, first of all. For a creative person, it is only your way. ना कहीं पढ़े पारिबे ना कहीं किछ करि पारिबे. But a creative लोक लागि whatever you have done, because I believe you have done 1 or 2 short films also. Okay, what we were talking. Simple चिंताधारा होची writing हो, painting हो, any creative form. It's simply your expression. Okay. Once you express and you'll keep on failing. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆଜି 7ଟା ଫିଲ୍ମ ବନେଇଲା ପରେ ବି ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଫିଲ୍ମ ବନାଉଛି ତାମାନେ ମୋର ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସନ୍ ହେଇନି. ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ତ କେବେ ବି ଏଣ୍ଡିଂ ନଥାଏ. ଆଜି ଏଇଟା ସରିଲା ଫେର୍ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଏଇ ଜନରେ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଫିଲ୍ମ ବନେଇବି. ସୋ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ର ପହିଲା ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ହେଉଛି ଯେ ଯେଉଁଟା ରାଇଟିଂର ପହିଲା ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ରାଇଟିଂ ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ କହେ ଆମ ଇଲିଟରେଟ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍. ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ୍ ଅ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ୍ ଲାଇନ୍. ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଥିଙ୍କ ଏ ଲଟ୍. So I need a writer to write. Okay. So writing jodi achi, I feel in the process of filmmaking, writing is one of the most important and crucial part. So writing, developing yourself as a writer, and if you have a writer's base, whether you are an editor, sound, director, everything will become easier. Because the first massive expression is writing. And writing jodi korucho, most important that your soul ତମେ ଅଛ କି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ତମେ ଯେଉଁଟା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରୁଛ ସେଇଟା ପେପରରେ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ. ଫର୍ମାଟ୍ ପରେ ଆସିବ. ଫର୍ମାଟ୍ ତ ସିନେମା କ'ଣ ସବୁ ମିନିଟ୍ରେ ଫର୍ମାଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି. ବଟ୍ ରାଇଟିଂର ପହିଲା ହେଉଛି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଏଭର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ୟୋର୍ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟକ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ଦ ପେପର୍ ଅର୍ ନଟ୍. ଦେନ୍ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଡନ୍. nothing can stop you. You're done.
Thank you sir.
That was a very interesting question, and writing is actually the base. There are से इवेंट हो, फिल्म हो, टेलीविजन हो, रेडियो हो, स्क्रीन प्ले स्क्रिप्ट भल न थाए बोली सब एवरीथिंग गोज फॉर टॉस. सो दैट इज एंड फिल्म से तो ऑब्वियसली एंड आई थिंक वी I can openly say that we lack good writers even in Bollywood, and Hollywood is also struggling in because they're keeping on repeating themselves. Sometimes I believe a Hollywood film is a repeat of a Bollywood film. It sometimes sounds like that. Anyway, Amma Saita Achanti, we have a upcoming, and he has also acted in a few films and mediums and on television and web. Ashish. So Ashish, what's your view on Nilamadhav Panda's films and your question?
Hello sir, good afternoon. This is Ashish. I'm basically from Bhubaneswar and I'm an actor from Mumbai. Sir, I just want to know one thing, like you have done your films with like both the categories of actor, like from Hollywood as well and from Bollywood as well. So I just want to know one thing, like what is the difference like between both the categories of actors, like how they prepare themselves in Bollywood and here in Hollywood, like the difference between both the categories.
And I also add to that, that's my question. And apno acting karchanti Odia actors who also acted in global films. So there's a difference between that also. Odia is acting in Odia films, Odia is acting in international films. So I think you're seeing the difference between.
Yeah. Look, acting is one part in cinema. Like I said, after writing, I would consider acting because a writer writes. Okay, we are simply the agent to put it together as a director. I don't consider a director's job to be very big. It is a director's medium, they say. But there are two essential parts. One writes, other express. So the actors eventually express in front of the screen. Okay. Worldwide, there is no theory or difference about actors. Okay. It is simply an actor represents what is written on paper. Okay. For example, in my set, okay, I have no boundary. Like I never keep a, they call it bound script, a fixed script. I would never hold. Like my last cinema, I went to shoot the feature film with half a story. There is no dialogue, no screenplay. So for a place like that, and it is my recent film which Pitabas has acted, okay. So it is driven by the actor. So day by day when we were shooting, so it was characterized, created emotions, created fear, created the fear psychosis to schizophrenia, and it is literally, as a director, you become an actor because you so much get addicted with the actor and the story. Whereas if I have a bound script, it's simply as simply is written, actor will take, AD will make them understand, the job is done. Okay. Now coming to the difference about actors. Very basic theory. ଆମେ ବେଳେବେଳେ କ'ଣ କହୁ, ଆରେ ଶାହରୁଖକୁ ଦେଖ, ତତ କରି କଥା କହିବ, ସୁନ୍ଦର ଦେଖାଯାଏନି, ଏତେ ବଡ଼ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ ହେଇଯାଏ। I believe on that. There is nothing called beauty that ଇଏ ଏତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର, ଏତେ ବଡ଼ ବଡି ତ ସେ ଭଲ ଆକ୍ଟର। ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ଟରର ପହିଲା ଜିନିଷ ହେଉଛି, it is they create this like this a God's magic. Actor means God's magic created on the screen. When they come on the screen, they create that aura. Imagine today, more than any famous personality anybody has contributed for an actor, they are like God. In India, the actors are treated like God. Akshay Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. Why? Because they appear like that on screen.
Larger than life.
Larger than life. Billion plus population dies to see those actors. Not even their prime minister or president. So for an actor, Odia, Hollywood, Bollywood doesn't matter. Okay. It is what essentially you drive when you come on the screen. You wanted to be an actor, the first basic theory you have to have is what aura you are giving in that particular character. That you make the audience believe in you. Baki director kon koribo, sound kon koribo, all that is not essential for you. You as actor, what you represent. How many people know how the Salman looks in real life? Doesn't matter. So they become God for you, for an audience. Okay? So I find that the greatest job on earth is if somebody becomes an actor.
Rockstar, kind of that.
Rockstar. Whatever. Okay. So difference jodi kohibo, I have worked with European actors also. When I was, little late part of met lot of people from the Dogma movement. Okay, Dogma movement which started in Denmark in 1995. So there is a different theory of film. We can talk about that later. But I have seen how people create themselves as actors. I have seen the preparation of actors, and they become eventually Hollywood actors. They become big stars who had no base, and you can never imagine that this man will become a Hollywood star tomorrow. Because and it is practice of your life. It's not easy. So today you become a hero, tomorrow you become a villain, and it is that practice. They become like saints. So actors' life actually, jodi dekhibo, mo sango bi jaha basically. They're different people altogether. We are, as a director, because we are storyteller, we are very deep-rooted and we stay calm. We are holding up to the soil,
Okay, thank you, Ashish.
Thank you, sir.
Amazing thing. I mean, जो कथा हो जो actor विषय, I always think maybe we're a bit jealous about that. And you as a director would be seeing so many so-called small actors suddenly becoming very big in front of your eyes, and you would be thinking talent or chicken but it's very important in a country like ours that
And
so-called celebrities and actors are two different people sometimes.
I won't name one in one of my film. I'll give you one of the finest examples back there. So you always, set, you always fight, And it was a night where I had to take a shot at 4:30 in the morning. So between 4:30 or 5, if I shoot, I'll get that shot, 30-second shot. And we were already tired. Our life were like literally gone after 20-25 days of shoot, not eaten, okay? And this actor, we had a fight, 4 hours fight in the night, from night 12 o'clock. And said, I don't want to shoot. We are fighting, and then suddenly we saw the light has come, that morning 5 o'clock light. I said, I need to shoot it now. I cannot stop for a second. Even I'll lose these 5 minutes, my life is gone. I cannot bring the crew here again. In 30 seconds, that actor turned around right in front of the camera, and it became one of the finest scenes of my life. To imagine the practice of an actor who had 4 hours of fight with the director, and instantly she jumps onto the camera and you see the scene. It was one of my most unimaginable act of my life.
So sometimes it's all there inside.
Indeed.
They just turn off and turn on whenever they want to. That comes with practice and maybe with something which is inherent in them.
Yeah, you sometimes born with it.
Sir, if beauty is there and you don't have any acting skill, and if you want to be an actor and actress, you have beauty but you don't have any acting skill, then you can be an actor, right?
Well, there is nothing like that. First of all, you should not ever say as an artist, if you want to be something, whether you can't or cannot. Always you should say, I can. But I can means whether you have beauty, not beauty, you are extremely beautiful, you are Miss India also, it's all fine. The most important part of any artistic form is, do you want to do that? When you say you want to do that, you can do that. Okay? When I say you can, means it needs a lot of practice. If you don't know, you need to learn the technique. And today it's an easier world because you don't need to go to a film studio. You have everything on Google, from breathing exercise to acting to everything. I see every day, every now and then, sometimes I'm not a very social media person, okay? But still I have to do with my office to be active on social media. I see so many people sending auditions and stuff, okay? Sometimes I just want to spend time what the new guys doing, It's brilliant. Do they want to? So nothing. First, got one thing out that whether you're beautiful, handsome or not doesn't matter. Okay. There is a role for each face. Okay. So it's because today we are going more towards the world which is like Hollywood, Very common people, old age person can do anything. Look at those actors in Hollywood.
You're creating characters for a lot of everybody.
Yeah. Julia Roberts. She's what? 56. Yeah. Okay. Look at her work even now. 40 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲା ରେ ଏତେ ବୁଢ଼ୀ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ହିରୋଇନ୍ ଆଉ କ'ଣଟା ହେବ? Why?
Even look at directors, Clint Eastwood at that age.
85, 80 years old director. So forget talent. I'm not even considering talent here. Art is something, it's here. You want, you can do till you are 90, till you are laughing. Nobody can stop you.
So, if we want to be an actor, so we have to go Mumbai to get auditioned over there, because in Odisha there is no scope of acting in Bollywood for Bollywood.
Well, the world is one today, of course. Not now, I would say. During COVID time, we always shut down in our house. Bombay is what, to our journey. So, of course, when you want to work in Bombay, you have to go to Bombay. Okay, because nobody comes here to catch actors. Okay? I, as an Odia, try to pull people from here and try, to be put in my team. Okay, but people won't. Why would they consider Odisha? There are many places where they can see. So definitely, I mean, you have to. If you want to work in Bollywood, you have to go to Bollywood. If you want to work in Bengali cinema, you have to go to Calcutta. It's very simple. But that doesn't matter. You know, here also, if you find right opportunity, you can work because visibility of good talent always there. In the world of Google and the internet. So if you are talented, you look at the kids who are going and showing their talent, singing, dancing, and everything.
Okay, thank you so much.